If something happens in the mind, it is really for the mind. If something is happening in the world, it is real in the world. Some suffering happens in the mind, it is real in the mind. Really, there is suffering. You can't see that suffering. It is not objective, it is subjective. There are objective realities, there are subjective realities. Both are realities. People suffering is a subjective reality. Accident in a road accident is an objective reality. So there are any number of subjective realities. My hunger for truth is a subjective reality. It is not an objective reality. You can't touch it, you can't see it, you can't analyze it. But it is subjective reality for me. It is I am a candidate for truth. For me, it is for my family members, it may not be a truth because they don't see it. For me, it is subjective reality. For me, it is truth. So difference between subjective and objective reality is Baba. Whatever happens in your mind, everything is your subjective reality. Whatever happens in others' minds is their subjective reality. It is very easy to see objective realities and to understand them, but very difficult to see subjective realities and understand them. It is for each person, independent of others. Each mind is a very big world. Very big world. Each mind, everybody's mind is a very, very big world. And what happens in that mind is a subjective reality. The suffering or the happiness, whatever happens in that mind is a subjective reality, which cannot be comprehended by another's mind. What you see with your physical eyes, I can also see. But what you feel in your mind cannot be felt by my mind. So to understand others' minds, we have to take them for their own word. If they say, I got hunger in my stomach, yes, there is hunger. You can't say, show to me, prove it to me. Stupid nonsense. And they say, I am hungry, so you must give them food. When they eat the food, they say, I am not hungry, my hunger is over. The subjective reality. You don't analyze, question, hey, how show me your hunger, prove to me your hunger. Scientific experimentation on hunger. No, that's all stupid nonsense. Subjective realities are as much realities as objective realities. In fact, they are more important than objective realities. That's why we are all into meditation. That's why we are into PSS and global, because subjective realities are more important than objective realities.